When your vehicle is equipped with Easy Entry/Exit, the driver's seat can automatically adjust to facilitate entering and exiting the vehicle. Tap the vehicle icon on the center display and tap Vehicle Settings, Vehicle Control to enter the vehicle control interface. Here you can turn Easy Entry/Exit on or off. With Easy Entry/Exit enabled, when you open the driver's door after the car is stopped and shifted to park, the driver's seat will automatically move back to facilitate exiting the car. When the car is locked, the seat will automatically return to the driving position. Next time, when you open the driver's door to get in, the seat will automatically move back to facilitate entering the car. After getting in and sitting down, press the brake pedal and the seat will automatically return to the driving position.